How to create an ebook in your Gamma app. So one way you can do this is to use their generative AI. Now you could import maybe a template if you'd like, but again, we're just gonna show you one way you can do this. So go ahead here and to the create new AI, and then you can choose any of these, but we can use the generate option since that is what we're gonna do. We had a recent prompt like so. It's just to make an ebook about cats, but we're just gonna do it all over again. We could choose the document since that is what an ebook will look like the most, or you could choose whichever. And from that, you could use this to like maybe just get yourself an idea on what the ebook will look like or will be in the ebook. But try not to let the AI get to you, like make the AI create everything for you. You gotta do something as well, and most of it should just be by you and not just by the AI. But here you're gonna have cards, so the cards will be like sections. If you want more of these, it's going to be a subscription, but you can make up to 10 for free. And then the default, so maybe A4 since, or a letter actually, depends on you. And then the language, and we're gonna stick with English US, and then make sure you mention that you want an ebook like structure. So we're gonna do the same prompt I just did a few minutes ago since we did test it out, like so, and then just go ahead and press on generate outline. Of course, you can add lots and lots more details, what you want specifically, names and events, but again, depends on you. And if your prompt is long, it may take a bit longer as well. So we're just gonna keep it simple for now. Just go ahead and press generate outline once you are done. You'll be able to see the outline, and then you could just move it somewhat. But for some reason, we have 11 cards, although we only did 10. So we're just gonna go ahead and get rid of one, which is this one. So now we have 10 cards, and then you could choose your visuals. You could do more if you'd like. We'll stick with this one since it's kind of nice image art style, and then add extra keywords. We're gonna keep it like this, I suppose, but of course you could choose whichever you want, and then just press on generate. But that is pretty much one way you could create this. Of course, this is just a general idea on how to. Just make sure it's not taking over you, and it's just like somewhat an idea. It should just be spaced, and it could just fit into sort of a ebook. And once you're done, you could just go ahead and upload it or download it as yours, and you can do whatever you want with the new generated ebook. This is pretty much one way you can do this process, so hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.